This is my daughter Aniyah. And we are going to unbox the Sephora play box together.
Now let's start.
So first, what you get, stand up there. So it comes in a little box like this. And then what's in the box first is these 50 extra points onto your account. And then they come in these little bags. This one says, let's see, what it says. It says, make it snappy.
Make it snappy. Or yappies.
Yeah. And let's see. You want to pull something out? Okay. Come on. Let's see what you got here. So first, inside the bag, we have a brand called Verb. It's a shampoo and conditioner. It says mild, color safe, and hydrating shampoo. And here it goes. Ooh, and this one, it's a Buxom Plump Up Volume. I like these. Let's see. These are, I've had some of these. These are really good. And this one's in the color Celeste. Yeah.
Yes.
It's cute. Let's see. It's super small.
Super duper small.
Let's see. It's like a pink, gold color. Hold on. You can barely see it. Like
I could see
lip
it.
gloss with some glitter. Want to put it on your hand
Yeah,
too?
I wanna do it.
You like it?
Yes, this is how the color looks like. It looks like a rainbow color.
Here, you want to put some?
So
What's the next thing in there?
it's
Oh.
makeup for
Ever.
ever.
Yeah. So this is the Ultra HD Perfector. Blurring skin tint with sunscreen. Let's see. Here, hold this. Put this back. This is perfect for travel size.
Yes.
Let's see how it looks.
Do we put it on our skin now?
No.
Can I put it on my skin?
No.
Hmm? I don't see my nose.
Like color. It's nice. Oh, it's very nice.
Oh, can I rub it
Hold
too?
on. It gives you coverage. It's not a little bit of coverage. What's it smell like? Do you want to try it? Touch it right here. So definitely going to be trying this out.
It smells like chocolate.
Yeah.
That's this. I will tell them.
Okay. Then pick something else out.
I'll pick this.
It's a Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducer Concentrate. It's supposed to help. It's supposed to be really good for your smile lines under the eyes. Let's see. Yeah, it's small, but I've been wanting to try it. So that's the thing I like about these boxes here, especially Sephora. You get just the sample size, and you can decide if you want to buy it or not.
Mommy, I want to get it.
Okay.
I'm going to get this one.
What's the next one? What is it? Show them. So it's a Becca backlight priming filter. Let's see. I have the other one, the purple one. This is the gold one. So you want to try it out?
Yeah.
Give me your other. Wait. Let's see how it looks. Well, it looks like it's very hydrating. It's not glittery. See? Just sinks into her skin. Okay, now what's next? There's one more thing in here.
And then we're done with the video.
What is this? It is a Dr. Dennis Cross. Fights wrinkles while you sleep. Wrinkle reducer peel. Oh, I like these. I usually use the Murad peel, and it comes with 2 of them. So that's it for our video, guys. You want to say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching.
I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna try to do the unboxings with her. I'll do my BoxyCharm monthly box, and we'll do the Sephora one. Yeah? Okay, say bye.
Bye.